Hello students, welcome to UMaths class. I hope you all are eager to learn new concept with me. Students, now you must be thinking you can find circumcenter and incenter, angle bisector and perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. It's pretty simple, right? Now, have you ever thought of constructing triangles or drawing triangles with accuracy? You might be thinking that would be tough because in a triangle there are so many parameters involved. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles, so accordingly we have so many types of triangles. We have a right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Also we have scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. So there are varieties of triangles exists. If we think of constructing triangles, that is definitely going to be something very complex. So we'll do one after the another. Now there are certain criteria which are needed to construct a triangle. Now you want me to draw a triangle. There are certain set of information which needs to be given to me so I can draw a triangle. Right students? If you provide me length of the 3 sides, I can draw a triangle like this. Or length of 2 sides and angle between them. With that much information, we can draw triangle. Similarly, if you have given 2 angles and side between them also can construct a triangle. Or if you are trying to draw a right angle triangle for which we always know that there is 90 degree present in this triangle. That is why for right angle triangle, if you know the length of the hypotenuse and any one side, whether it is base or a perpendicular side. In a right angled triangle, this is the hypotenuse, is that side which lies exactly opposite to the right angle. Here you can see a triangle can be constructed if 3 specific elements out of the 6 elements are given to us. So, with any one of these given set of information, we can draw a accurate triangle. Let us understand to construct a triangle when the length of its 3 sides are given. For example, construct a triangle XYZ such that length of XY is equal to 6 cm, length of YZ is equal to 4 cm and length of XZ is equal to 5 cm. Firstly, we do not have any idea how the triangle look like. So, first we draw a rough diagram or a rough figure to get a tentative idea of a triangle look like. Now, after drawing the rough diagram, draw the figure as per given measurement. We'll start with one side. So, let us first take a point X at 0 cm mark of the ruler and point Y at 6 cm mark of the ruler. According to the rough figure, segment XY of length 6 cm is drawn as the base. Now, we need to get the other two sides as well. Length of XZ is given as 5 cm. That means the point Z is at distance of 5 cm from X. Place the steel pointer of the compass on the point X and draw an arc on one side of seg XY. Now, length of the third side YZ is 4 cm. So, set a radius of compass as 4 cm. Now, place the steelhead of the compass on the point Y and taking radius 4 cm, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at point Z. Join XZ and YZ to get a required triangle XYZ. A similar construction can be drawn on the other side of the base. You can also draw triangle XYZ by taking the point Z on the lower side of XY. This is how we can construct a triangle when the length of its three sides are given. I am sure you must have understood how to construct a triangle with given measurements. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button. To get instant updates, subscribe my YouTube channel UMaths. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you back as early as possible. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. Stay tuned with UMaths.